Nityanandan. So again we are going to learn a next and a new tune, and this tune you can also use to fill in gaps, or you can just use it. It's just a normal tune. This is not a very fast beat tune or like a complicated tune. It's a very simple tune which you can just use like in between of gaps and between of the main tunes that you want to hit. So I'll first be playing this tune and showing you how it will be, and then you can practice and we will learn the tune together. So, as you have seen, from a slower pace, I slowly moved up and then again became slow. So, this is the way you can modulate your tune and change the tune so that it is not in a very slow pace or in a very fast pace. So, you can just go up and then come down, and then again you can go up and then you can come down. So, this will make the tune sound nice and not boring. Now we'll go into the detail and learn each step by step, each beat, how we are going to do it. So this beat has mainly two parts. The first part will repeat twice and the second part will repeat only once. It will not repeat. So I'll be showing it in a very slow way so you can catch the tune. It's basically just one thing repeated 3 times and then again repeated 3 times. I'll be showing you. So in this is the first part. Now if you break this even more, it is just that tune. You will just repeat this 3 times, give a small break, repeat it 3 times, give a small break, and then you will go to the second part, which is. So that's all is this tune. So you'll be. So this tune is very simple. So now I'll play it in a slow beat, in a slow way, so that you can catch the tune with me. It's just very simple. 3 things, just repeating 3 times, and then after that again repeat it 3 times, and then after that you will go to the second part. So first we'll play the first part, and then you can catch this, and then we'll move to the second part. very slow pace. If you have not got it, just rewind back a little bit and see it again and get it, and then now you can move to the second part where we'll be practicing the tune in a little more faster pace. We can practice this. You can just rewind if you want and go through this part again so that you can understand and practice the tune in a faster pace. And only when you practice this tune, even this tune might be complicated for you, for some people, because this is basically involving the mind and body coordination. It is whole of Woodall is just bringing awareness. You have to bring your full awareness to your hands and your thoughts. Only when you bring awareness, you'll be able to play this. You cannot think that, oh, it's just so simple tune, I'll be able to beat it. Only when you start, you will see, oh, it is really difficult. But it is actually not difficult if you put your awareness and concentration in this. So thank you, Nityanandam.